Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add clickable buttons in Canva. This is a great way to make designs more interactive and guide users to website pages or resources with just one click. On the Canva dashboard, the first thing we need to do is insert a button. Click the Elements tab and type Button in the search bar. Then, choose the button we want to make clickable. For this example, let's go with this red button here. Let's adjust it as needed. To make this button clickable, we click on it and then click the three dots menu. From there, we just need to click the link option. Now we paste the link in the field. Once that's done, we press Enter. As we can see, the button now has the link attached. When someone clicks it, they will be redirected to that link. And that's how we add clickable buttons in Canva. With this simple feature, we can make our designs more engaging and easy to navigate.